What is going on, you guys? Biggs here from Learn Bengali, and in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to address your parents in Bengali. Okay, so how to say mom and dad in Bengali. Okay, it's very simple, and we're gonna go over that right now. Okay. All right, so here we go. Mom is ma or amma in Bengali, ma or amma, and I've written it in Bangla here. Okay, so this division mark is just or, it's the same thing as in English. So ma or amma, it's not amma, it's amma. Okay, mm is amma, okay, remember that. Or dad over here is baba or abba. So remember, this is not the Swedish band. Okay, this is not the famous abba, this is abba. Okay. Yeah, I've listened to some of their songs before, they're good. So it's abba, abba, and I've written that in Bangla. So this is simple, and this is basically you can hear people say that in the subcontinental region like Bangladesh, India, Pakistan. So ma is mom, excuse me, and baba is dad. These are the most common ones, ma and baba. But people also call their mom amma and their dad abba as well. So yeah, it should make sense. Ma is mom, and baba is dad. You can also call your mom amma, or your dad abba. Simple as that. Okay, so any question, comment, let me know. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching my videos. Big Z out.